If you would like to know the 5 ways you can make your video viral, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here from davidwalshonline.com, your place to build your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 ways you can make your video viral on good old YouTubes. But before I head into that for you, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video to this channel every Tuesday. Recently, one of my clients has had their video go viral on their YouTube channel. And not only has one video gone viral, but a second follow-up video is going viral also. And of course, I'm going to do a video for you on how that all came together. And of course, when that's done, the link will be in the description below and also at the end of this video. So make sure to watch all the way to the end to get that link. So while we get that video ready for you, I'm going to give you the 5 ways you can make your video viral on good old YouTube. Now, the first way is by advertising. This is where you'll spend money advertising your video, promoting it on YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms to get traffic on your YouTube video to make it go viral. Great examples of these are Poo-Pourri and Squatty Potty. So it looks like poop has to be part of your viral video. Not really, but other examples include Airbrush, Fiberfix, and numerous others. If you'd like to see these, there will be a link in the old description below where you can watch them all. Typically, it will cost $50,000 to $100,000 just to get the video made and tested before you release it. What they do is they can create up to 40 or 50 different versions of the video, then advertise that video to see which one performs the best. Whichever works the best is then used as the video, which then goes viral. So typically this is used by bigger brands, bigger companies who want to get their name out there, and the videos are typically humorous so that it keeps people engaged all the way to the end and then buy the product. And that brings me on to the second way to make a viral video is by using humor. One thing in common that a lot of these videos have is that they are funny. If you look at the Squatty Potty video, Poo-Pourri, all of those videos are funny. That way they keep you engaged watching all the way to the end. Another business viral video is actually Dollar Shave Club. There the creator wrote the script himself, shot the video guerrilla style, put it up, and it went viral. He ended up selling his company for $1 billion, yes, that's with a B, based on the virality of his video and the business that video brought in. Using humor helps with the shareability of the video, and of course people want to share stuff that they like that make them look good, and funny videos do that. Hence the popularity of funny cat videos. So using humor can help you get your video viral. The third way is by creating great content with great watch time. The video that I've helped my client get viral is not funny, and we did not use any advertising spend on it whatsoever. But it has gone viral, and the main reason for that is that it is a great content piece. It has huge watch time and YouTube are absolutely loving it. The premise for the video is that my client is a property investor. He goes to a city with enough money for a hotel for a week and a 16-year-old banger of a car, and he's got to go and make some property deals with no money. Of course, nothing goes straight forward, and that's what hooks people to watch the video and have that fantastic watch time. And because it's got great watch time, YouTube are actually promoting it on the front of their channel and also in the associated videos. And of course, I'll give you more about all of that in the upcoming video. The fourth way is by taking advantage of trends. A while ago when we had the pineapple Apple Pen craze on YouTube, Chad Wild Clay took advantage of this. He created his own pineapple Apple Pen video, which went viral. That then made his channel go viral, and he crushed 1 million subscribers in no time at all. So taking advantage of trends, memes, and stuff like that will help you get your video viral. And the fifth way to make your video viral is pure luck. Well, it's not really. It's actually a combination of the previous 4. When you combine 2, 3, or even 4 elements of the previous tips, then you actually get that look on your video, on your channel, and it goes viral. Combining humor along with great content on your channel, along with a trending topic or meme at the time, can make your video go absolutely ballistic on YouTube. Then, once you have that viral video, you can throw in some ad spend and make it go viral even more. So depending on your budget, depending on your creativity and what you recognize is happening on the YouTubes or in the world at the moment, you can actually use all of those elements to create a viral video for yourself. Now, will it happen overnight? Probably not. But you never know, that little element of luck, being in the right place at the right time, can actually get you that virality that a lot of people are looking for. And even if you just use one of these tips, it proves that you can actually get a viral video. And that's what we did with my client's video. Again, I'll be revealing all in an upcoming video. Now, what's your favorite viral video? Let me know in the old comments area below. I love to know what it is and why you like it. As I said, I'll be revealing how I got my client's video to go viral on their channel in the next video. So make sure to be subscribed for that. Hit the old subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when that video is uploaded. Also, as well as make sure to click on one of these videos here as well to get more tips on how to get more views and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Bye for now.